again, teacher. Teacher Joe. J-O, Joe. Let's talk about the things around us, surroundings, trees, and plants. We will use the book, Nature Around Us. Let's talk about living things. Living things are things which move, breathe, eat or use food or energy, grow, and they have life. Living things. Living things. Examples of living things are humans, human. Animals, like the dog, animals. Plants or the tree. They are living things. Again, human, animal, tree. Let's open page 1. Living thing. Page 1. Draw a circle around the words to connect the matching picture. Human. Human. Which word is correct? Is it the first one or the second one? It's the first one. Human. Circle. Next, tree. Is it the first word? The first word is an animal. The second word is a tree. Correct. It's the second word. T-R-E-E. Tree. Next, animal. Animal. Which one is the correct matching word? Is it the first one, animal, or the second one, human? Correct. It's the first one, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Good job. Yay! Good job! You finished our lesson for today. Talk about the topic with your friends and family. See you again next time.